Morning, students. This is chapter 8, Weather, Climate and Adaptation, part 4. Today we will learn season of the earth or season on the earth. Okay. Let's start. Season. First of all, look at this picture. I have told earlier also in the previous video. Season on the earth. Yellow color is our sun and blue color is our earth. Already we have told you that earth moves around the sun in a elliptical way. This is the orbit, which is imaginary, not actual path, imaginary path. And this makes this elliptical path gives us the season and 4 season and again. Okay, let's start. What is this? Where it is? Sorry, here it is. Contrary to the first of all, people believe that earth is closer to sun in summer, and ancient people say, and farthest from the sun in the winter. This is only a myth. Myth means ये wrong है. Actual what is true? The earth's orbit is not a perfect circle. अगर ये पूरा राउंड होता तो ये सीजन नहीं देता. It is elliptical, and this is the different reason for Earth's season. This is the main reason for Earth season. Season के क्यों होता है? Because of the elliptical path. Elliptical means what? You can see 2 point. Earth is closer to sun, and 2 point Earth is at by 22 June and 22 December it is farthest, and 21 March and 23 September it is closest. Okay, so closest will give you spring season and autumn also. Okay, let's see. Earth orbit is not a perfect circle. It is elliptical, and this is the different reason for Earth's season. Now listen carefully. These things you have to understand. Earth axis is an imaginary pole going right through the center of the Earth. Going right through the center. Let's wait for a moment. Coming here. Earth axis is an imaginary pole going right through the center of the Earth parallel to longitude. Means Earth axis. We know Earth rotates on its axis, but that axis is not actual. It is imaginary. Our Earth has season because its axis does not stand up straight and is tilted on the one side at 23.45 or 50 degree. As Earth orbits the Sun, Earth revolves around the Sun. Its tilt axis always points in the same direction. All the 4 figure you see, tilt is in the same direction. So different area of the Earth point towards and away from the Sun at different time of the year. Now around June 21, it starts from June 21. North Pole is tilted towards the Sun. See, here it is. 22 June, it is tilted towards Sun. Okay. North pole tilted towards the sun and northern hemisphere. Northern means half of the earth towards north pole. Gets more of the sun's direct rays. And this is why June, July, August are summer month in the northern hemisphere. And at the same time, southern hemisphere has less sun's rays. At the same time, southern hemisphere points away from the sun, creating winter there. Upper region is having summer and lower region is having winter because they are farther than sun, creating winter during the month. I am here. This is why June, July, August are summer in the northern hemisphere, and at the same time southern hemisphere points away from the sun, creating winter during the month of June, July, August. Means in Australia, June, July, August is winter. In India, it is summer. Okay. Summer in the southern hemisphere is December. December, January, and February. In Australia, they have December, January, and February. They have summer. Whereas in December, January, February, in India, means in northern hemisphere, we have winter season. Okay. When the south pole is tilted towards the sun and northern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun in the month of December, January, and February. So, around June 21, upper half of the earth is facing summer and lower half is facing winter. And after, in the month of December, January, and February, lower half of the earth, it means southern hemisphere, is facing summer and we are facing winter. Now this is an activity to comprehend the cause of season on the earth. You have to take rubber ball, pushpin means thumbtack type, marker, a bulb and a stick. Draw a circle around the middle of a ball. ठीक है, एक बॉल ले लो और उसके चारों तरफ एक सर्कल बनाना है. दैट इज इक्वेटर, इमेजिनरी. एंड डॉट्स ऑन द नॉर्थ पोल एंड साउथ पोल. ठीक है, द नॉर्थ पोल एंड साउथ पोल बाय पॉइंटिंग विथ ए मार्कर. Push the stick through the center so as to join the two poles and push one stick towards north pole and south pole to join the two poles. This represents the axis of the earth. Now place a pin representing a person midway between equator and north pole and another pin between equator and south pole. Two pins that represent like a human being. Light the bulb and place it on the center of your table. And move the earth, means move the ball around the bulb at a tilted axis. Make sure the tilt does not change while moving. Tilt should not change. Now observe what happens. At the beginning of the movement, when you start from the middle of the movement of the circle, elliptical circle, pushpin in the northern hemisphere, we face summer. At the same time, southern hemisphere facing winter. And after moving half the orbit, we face northern hemisphere person facing winter changes and southern hemisphere person is changing into summer. You can do it at home also. What happens when the sun shines directly on a person on the top half of the earth? Earth means ball. This condition signifies summer for the northern hemisphere. You will also notice that at this instant, the person in the southern hemisphere gets indirect rays of the sun representing winter. एक नॉर्दर्न वाले को तो डायरेक्ट मिल रहा था तो वहाँ समर हो गया, सदर्न वाले को नहीं मिल रहा था, इनडायरेक्ट मिल रहा था, तो वहाँ क्या होगा, विंटर हो जाएगा. As you move the earth halfway along its orbit, the situation reverse, representing winter in the northern and summer in the southern hemisphere. ठीक है? What I have written is correct. Now come to fill in the blanks. The seasons are the result of the tilt of the earth's axis. Am I right? The earth axis is tilted by 23.45 भी है दिया हुआ बुक में, but 50 is also okay. Whatever you want to write, you can write. You can if you want to write 23.45, you can write 45. Since the axis is tilted, the different part of the earth are faced towards the sun at different time of the year. During the month of June, July, August, sun's rays fall directly on the northern hemisphere, and this results in summer season in the northern hemisphere and winter season in the southern hemisphere. Okay? That's all for today. Thank you so much. Any problem, ask me in the class.